Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. And today we'll be picking one card from the Moonology deck for your moon energies, guys. So that is the card for y'all today, Cancers. If you want more clarity, Cancers, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have Lady, Garden and Birds. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are talking to someone, maybe taking help or guidance regarding something. So there is some confusion in your heart. You don't know what to decide or what to plan for yourself, for your future, maybe, guys. So you are taking help maybe from friends or family, asking them ideas or suggestions on certain things, and you want to do things the right way, guys. That may be the reason for this guidance you are taking from people who are close to you. So you may have a circumstance in your work, something that needs clarity. So what choices you need to make, or maybe in your personal life, you don't know what will be the next step for you for this love. So you are thinking and planning something. Maybe you are thinking of commitment, maybe you are thinking of engagement or marriage, or maybe they have given you the proposal for marriage or commitment, your person, and you don't know what to decide, and you are communicating this to your friends or family, taking their ideas and suggestions today, guys. So in your relationship, guys, maybe this person is planning to propose to you, or you are planning to propose to them. That may be the reason we have these cards. So for your relationship, we picked one card and it is Fish. So maybe you are really overwhelmed, feeling really overwhelmed today. You are thinking about something again and again. Maybe you are truly finding this circumstance a very important one, trying to do things the right way. So maybe all your attention and focus is on this relationship. Or for some of you guys, you may have some habits, something you are doing. It may be some addictive habits you have, and you're trying to come out of it. You're trying desperately, guys, but whatever you are doing, you are unable to find a solution, maybe, or you may have some thoughts you need to overcome, maybe based on your past experience. Something is clouding your mind and you are simply desperate to come out of these negative thoughts you are having, and your situation is simply overwhelming you, guys, and you don't know what to. So that may be the reason we have these cards here, guys, Cancers. So you feel really desperate to find a solution, desperate to find your way. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So for your career situation, Whips. So with the set of cards, there are some habits you are trying to overcome, guys, desperately, and it is simply making your situation, it's worsening your circumstances. So you are trying hard to change to avoid these difficulties, but you are unable to change, guys. That may be the reason you are asking people suggestions and you need someone's help. Maybe you are expecting help from this person you love. So that is what I see with these cards, Cancers, for your moon energies, guys, today. Communication is the key. So such an apt card for you all today, Cancers. So in your circumstances, if you want to change your circumstances, you need to communicate. Maybe you must be able to tell this person you love what you truly feel and what you truly want. So that is going to help you, that is going to bring that understanding, build that understanding in this relationship. So if you are finding some difficulty in your life and you need someone's help, you must ask for it. Only then it will be given, Cancers. So that is the reading for you all today, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So we will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this first card. It says Rose Elf Revelations. So when this card comes to you in a reading, guys, it just means that you are having something in your mind, something is what to say, something you have not revealed. Maybe all that sadness and grief you have been holding on, that has been burdening you. So this is the time you are going to be free of all those burdens. So some kind of unkindness towards you, bullying maybe, or injustice done to you is coming into light, and people around you may know the truth, the reason for your sadness or the way you were, guys. And you need to trust your instincts today and see for signs. Maybe you may be seeing signs in your circumstances, maybe something happening naturally, the way the birds are singing, or what to say, some signs in nature that you see around yourself. You must be aware of that, because that is going to give you or take you towards truth or clarity today. So your instincts are here to help you, guys. You need to trust that. And whatever injustice is being done to you is going to come into light. So there is a person who has been treating you in a bad way and you were suppressing it, but whatever it is, truth comes into light someday, guys. You can never hide the truth, whatever it may be. And maybe you are someone experiencing this injustice, or maybe there is someone in your circumstances who is experiencing this injustice, and you can bring hope to that person who has lost it. You can make them feel peaceful again, help them with your kind words and with your kind heart. And whatever evil has been done to you will be recognized, and that person who has wronged you will be revealed, and justice is coming out. Justice is happening, unfolding in your circumstances. So you can never hide truth for a very long time, guys. So you need to understand that. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. So for those who chose this second card, this card, we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, loyal heart. So this card just means that in your relationship today with your person you love, you both are having a beautiful understanding. Mutual love, respect and caring is there. You are devoted to each other and you are loyal to each other, and this may be the time for heartfelt commitments and trust. And you need to understand that having that trust, mutual love and trust for each other, you can see that this relationship is divinely protected and divinely directed. So just like you trust this person, they trust you, and just like this person trusts you, are you loyal to them in return? Are you reciprocating their trust? So you need to question yourself on that, guys, and this is the time for you to be really truthful, honest with what you truly feel, and make this person understand what you truly feel. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So with this card, it just looks like you are in that deep connection with this person, and you both love each other, and you both have a great future together. That is what this card is about, and maybe this may be a twin flame soulmate connection you have with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.